Prepare to be transported into a realm of botanical eccentricity as we unveil the enigmatic allure of the world's weirdest flowers. From the hauntingly familiar monkey orchid lurking in the depths of South American rainforests to the alien-like Welwitschia mirabilis defying the harsh desert sands of the American Southwest, each bloom beckons with its own captivating story. Delve into the underwater wonder of the psychedelic frogfish and ascend the misty peaks of the Himalayas to discover the elusive ghost orchid as we unravel the mysteries of nature's most unconventional creations. Embark on this extraordinary journey where reality blends seamlessly with imagination and the ordinary is transformed into the extraordinary. Number 1. Monkey-faced orchid, Draculasimia. Named for its striking resemblance to a tiny primate's face, the monkey orchid boasts a unique arrangement of column, petals, and lip that unmistakably mirrors that of a monkey. This rare flower is indigenous to Ecuador, yet can also be spotted in select regions of Colombia and Peru. Number 2. Girlfriend's Kiss, Psychotria elata. Renowned for its vividly shaped red bracts, which strikingly resemble full, pouting lips, this tropical plant goes by various monikers, including hot lips, flower lips, and girlfriend's kiss. It thrives within the lush rainforests of Central and South America. Before we move to number 3, if you are enjoying the video, please subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us. Thank you. Number 3. Hanging lobster claw, Heliconia rostrata. One of nature's most exquisitely crafted flowers, the hanging lobster claw plays host to a plethora of bird species, notably hummingbirds. This remarkable plant is prevalent in regions across Central and South America. Number 4. Bee orchid, Ophrys epifera. Thriving across Central and Southern Europe, as well as North Africa and the Middle East, the bee orchid boasts a remarkable resemblance to its namesake insect, appearing as if it's being pollinated by the bee itself thanks to the color and intricate design of its petals. Number 5. Naked man orchid, Orchis italica. Originating from Mediterranean regions, this orchid species is affectionately dubbed the hanging man orchid. With a touch of imagination, the flower remarkably resembles a male figure, complete with dotted eyes, a broad smile, and even a phallus-like appendage. Number 6. Swaddled baby's orchid, Anguloa uniflora. Dubbed the charmingly named swaddled baby's orchid, this flower earns its moniker from its striking resemblance to a tiny infant wrapped snugly in blankets. Originating from South America, these orchids captivate with their adorable resemblance. Number 7. Parrot flower, Impatiens psittacina. While they may not be a pair of parrots in mid-flight, the parrot flower earns its name for a reason. This endangered species of balsam hails from Southeast Asia and is so scarce that spotting one is a truly rare treat. Number 8. Flame lily, Gloriosa superba. With its Latin classification, Gloriosa superba, speaking volumes, this flowering plant stands as a testament to nature's true beauty. Widely distributed across various parts of the world, it remains an exquisite species cherished by many. Number 9. Cannonball tree, Curupita guianensis. The cannonball tree boasts stunning, fragrant flowers and intriguingly large fruits. Its blossoms feature 6 petals, vividly colored ranging from pink and red near the bases to yellowish towards the tips. Native to the tropical forests of Central and South America, this tree stands as a botanical marvel. Number 10. Flying duck orchid, Kaliana major. This orchid species showcases a striking flower that bears a striking resemblance to a duck in mid-flight. It is exclusively found in the eastern and southern regions of Australia. Number 11. Lady's slipper, Calceolaria uniflora. The perennial plant's flowers are commonly known as lady's slippers, though they are also nicknamed chambermaids and occasionally referred to as Darwin's slipper, as the species was first documented by Charles Darwin in the early 1800s. Lady slippers flourish abundantly in the Tierra del Fuego archipelago of South America. Number 12. Dove orchid, Peristeria elata. The dove orchid stands out as one of the most endangered flowers on this list, primarily due to its exquisite beauty. Endemic to regions of Central and South America, this orchid species boasts flowers of a vibrant marble white hue adorned with delicate purple spots, resembling miniature doves with outspread wings when observed closely. The symbolism is profound. In the Bible, the Holy Ghost is depicted in the form of a dove, hence the alternative name for this flower, the Holy Ghost orchid. Number 13. Sturt's desert pea, Swainsona formosa. At first sight, these blossoms evoke images of sinister spider gangs lurking at ankle level, seemingly poised to ambush unsuspecting pedestrians. Widely distributed across Australia, Sturt's desert pea stands as one of the country's most emblematic plant species. Number 14. White egret orchid, Pectilis radiata. Another orchid, known for its blossoms resembling birds in flight, is the white egret orchid, perhaps the most whimsical among its counterparts. This captivating species is discovered soaring across regions, including China, Japan, the Korean Peninsula, and Russia. Number 15. Corpse flower, Rafflesia Arnoldii. The corpse flower earns its name for a reason. This parasitic flowering plant, native to Sabah in Borneo, releases a truly unpleasant odor reminiscent of decaying flesh. These carrion plant species mimic the scent of dead meat to lure flies in regions where other pollinating insects are scarce. Number 16. Passion flower, Passiflora incarnata. With its vibrant, rosette-like appearance, the passion flower is renowned for its intricate petals adorned with prominent styles and stamens. In India and Japan, this species is referred to as the clock flower, although its name originates from the cross-shaped formation that many observe in its styles. Number 17. Beehive ginger, Zingiber spectabile. The beehive ginger, unquestionably one of the most peculiar flowers worldwide, earns its name from its beehive-shaped appearance and its kinship with the ginger plant. Within the plant's structure lie cup-like bracts, which gather water to sustain the small flowers adorned with purple petals and yellow specks. Emitting a delightful ginger fragrance, these water-filled cups contribute to the plant's unique allure. Originating from Southeast Asia, this species showcases nature's fascinating diversity. Number 18. Snake gourd flower, Trichosanthes cucumarina. Resembling delicate silk threads, the snake gourd flower may deceive observers as it actually belongs to the vegetable category. Despite its bitter flavor, which may not appeal to all, the fruit produced from this flower finds extensive use in diverse medical treatments. Widely distributed across Southeast Asia, certain regions of Africa, and northern Australia, the snake gourd exemplifies a versatile botanical presence across continents. Number 19. Titanum, Amorphophallus, titanum. Native to the rainforests of Sumatra, the titanum, also referred to as the corpse flower, stands out as a colossal flowering plant. Much like its namesake, this botanical wonder emits a foul scent reminiscent of decaying flesh. The titanum's distinct characteristics and endemic habitat on the Indonesian island of Sumatra add to its intrigue and unique presence in the natural world. Number 20. Devil's Hand, Cheranthodendron pentadactylon. Named for its striking red flowers that bear a resemblance to open human hands, the devil's hand plant is also known scientifically as the five-fingered hand flower tree. Indigenous to Guatemala and southern Mexico, this species showcases nature's intriguing diversity with its distinct floral features. Number 21. Protea pinwheel, Leucospermum catharini. Referred to as the Catherine wheel pincushion, this delicate flower is exclusive to the southwestern region of the Western Cape Province in South Africa, showcasing its unique presence as an endemic species. Number 22. Vampire lily, Dracunculus vulgaris. The sinister-sounding vampire lily is another flowering plant species characterized by a very unpleasant smell reminiscent of rotting meat. It is native to the Balkans, extending as far as Greece, Crete, and the Aegean Islands. Number 23. Bat-faced cupia, Cupia lavea. Originating from Central America and Mexico, the bat-faced cupia earns its name from its captivating blooms, resembling tiny bat faces, with hues ranging from deep purple to bright red. These nectar-rich flowers serve as a magnet for hummingbirds and butterflies, adding to the charm of this unique species. Number 24. Silver vase, Aeshmia fasciata. The silver vase, known for its popularity as a houseplant in temperate regions, originates from Brazil, where it thrives in its natural habitat. Number 25. White bat flower, Taca integrifolia. This intricate and delicate flower stands out as one of the most captivating and sizable plant species globally. Upon closer inspection, one can discern the subtle outlines of miniature bat faces nestled within the clusters of black blooms. Thriving in tropical and subtropical rainforests across hilly terrains of South Asia, this plant can reach heights ranging from 11 to 35 inches, 60 to 90 km, adding to its allure and intrigue. Number 26. Moth orchid, Phalaenopsis amabilis. The moth orchid earns its name from its purported likeness to a moth in flight. Native to Southeast Asia, New Guinea, and Australia, this exquisite flower is also recognized as the moon orchid in Indonesia. Number 27. Bird of paradise, Strelitzia. A popular tropical flower species, the bird of paradise is named because of a resemblance of its flowers to exotic birds of paradise species. It's native to South Africa, where it's also known as a crane flower. Number 28. Starflower, Stapelia grandiflora. Another carrion plant with a disgusting scent, but which is striking in appearance, the starflower is native to South Africa. Its flowers can range from deep reds, crimsons, and purples to lighter pinks, mauves, and yellow. Number 29. Spider chrysanthemum, Chrysanthemum morifolium. The spider chrysanthemum is a favorite flower of florists and gardeners alike, their very distinctive form prized in bouquets and other floral arrangements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Your support fuels our passion for creating valuable resources, and subscribing ensures you never miss out on our latest updates. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.